What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a little while since I've put out a video, probably a week or two at least, but today it's really exciting. Finally picked up a TIG welder. Well, guys, as you can tell from the little roll around video part there, this is a Prime-Weld Tig 225. Now, it was between this and the AHP 201 XD. And it really came down to a couple things, really, the accessories that this comes with versus the AHP, and then also the reviews online about how good the customer service of Prime-Weld actually is. And I actually put that to the test. I emailed them a few questions just to see how fast they would respond to that, and within 45 minutes or less they answered all of my questions, no problem. And I'm super stoked to give it a try. I haven't TIG welded since college, so the first few beads trying out probably aren't going to look too pretty, but we're going to give it a go anyway. So we're going to get this opened up. You got your operator's manual, obviously, there. Oh, that's pretty well packed. Let me put you guys on the stand here. You're very well packaged, very solid, not going to damage or move anywhere or anything. In the bottom corners, some nice steel. Guys, let's take a look what else we got with it. Oh yeah, so this is one of the key things that made me choose the Prime-Weld over the AHP, not alone with the customer service, but the fact that it comes with a real name brand CK flex head. This is a number 17 flex head. This was a big part of that choice. The price difference, very minimal really in the end, especially the Prime-Weld coming with the real CK. That is worth a lot. You got your dual voltage cord because it can run off of 110 up to a certain amp range. You got your finger button, which was also another bonus, I thought. That's a nice little thing to add in there. Pretty simple little thing, but super nice for tacking exhaust and stuff in weird areas. So that's handy. A small pack of consumables, pretty standard, one little tungsten there, so that's pretty cool that they give you some stuff there. And then I'm assuming this will be the foot pedal here. And AHP did finally upgrade their foot pedal from the kind of garbagey design. I think I prefer this style. They give you a really terrible welding helmet, but I'm sure you have a good one like I do as well. But here's the foot pedal. Some real nice like grip tape for a skateboard on the front. Feels pretty smooth on me, really great, so that's looking nice. Of course, you got your stinger for stick welding. Probably won't use that. I didn't buy this machine for that. And this is, it's an okay stinger. Probably not something I would use all the time. But then of course your ground clamp. Pretty decent ground clamp in reality for what you're getting, definitely. Crimped on gas fittings. And of course a flow regulator. So I'm gonna get this all hooked up and maybe we'll run a bead. See how she does. I mentioned, I believe the HAP is the same way too, but this uses high quality DINS connectors. That's awesome, quick connects. That's the way to go for sure. So overall, it's looking pretty quality. We're gonna see how she welds them. Alright guys, I got her all hooked up on there. Gas and regulator. Quick and easy, nice DINS connectors. Got the foot pedal, foot switches down there. We're gonna plug her in and run a bead, see how she does. Okay, so I just turned it on for the first time. As you can tell, it's pretty loud, so let's run through here and set it up. Alright, we're gonna give it a go if you can hear me. It's pretty loud fan, which doesn't bother me too much. We're just gonna use their consumables, number 6 tip. Got about 120 amps. It's about a 1/4 inch piece of steel. Got 16th ER70 S2. I haven't done this since college, so it's probably gonna be horrible, but we're gonna give it a shot, see what happens. Okay, first couple welds. Not bad. There's a little porosity at the end of this one because I didn't shield it when I pulled the arc. So that's my fault, but not too bad for not touching it since college. Of course, this is mild steel and pretty easy, but the arc is super nice and consistent. Almost beats the Miller that I welded with back in college, to be honest with you. But we'll get a lot of practice in this week and we'll see how she does and we'll let you guys know. But first impressions, I'm super happy with it. For the price point, honestly, hard to beat. Well guys, it's been a few days here and I've been able to get some time behind the seat with the Prime-Weld Tig 225, and you know what, I gotta say, it welds awesome, guys. I've had nothing but great luck with this thing. I've got maybe an hour or two behind it, and it seems to all function like it should. Works really good. I haven't gotten a chance to try it on AC or any of that yet, but I'm sure it'll work without any issue. And if I do have an issue, I know that they're gonna take care of me. Their customer service, from what I've read, is second to none, and just the couple questions that I've asked them, they responded incredibly quickly. and didn't have any trouble. So I mean, if you guys are looking for a good entry-level TIG to get you going, you know, make some weld art or whatever you want to do, weld some projects together, absolutely suggest this thing, guys. It is great so far. I look forward to using it. I'll do an update maybe 5-6 months down the road and see what I still think of it. Of course, I'm still practicing and getting better, guys. They say it takes 1,000 hours to master something, so I'm just trying to get my seat time in. We'll get better every day, and I've already seen an improvement in the last couple hours that I've been able to put in out here. Just getting back into the TIG. Still working on feeding and all that kind of stuff, but we're gonna get her down. We're a long ways from being a master at it, but we'll get there. Thanks for checking it out.